In this video, I'll show you how to install the ink cartridges for your HP DeskJet 2922 printer. So they'll first come in this plastic packaging. Go ahead and remove them from it. You'll then see this orange strip on the top. Peel that orange sticker off and make sure not to touch the contacts or the print head with your fingers. If you need to rest the ink cartridges down, just put them on their side like this. Now, if you come to the front of your printer, you're going to pull this tray down with your finger like this. And then there is a second tray in behind. Once again, just pull that down. And that's where you'll find the ink trays. So you'll see on this sticker here telling you that the colored ink goes on the left and the black goes on the right. Make sure that the printer is turned on, otherwise the ink trays will be hidden from you. So now we're just going to take our colored ink here and place it in on the left hand side. So just glide it in, and once you have it here, hold the printer with your other hand and push it in and up until it clicks into place. We will now do the same with the black ink. So just glide it like this and then give it one firm push until you hear it click into place. Once you've done that, go ahead and close both of the lids. Then if you come back to the printer's control panel, you'll see both ink levels.